Hello everybody, and welcome to another edition of Doing Stuff and Things. Now on today's episode, we're going to do more stuff with ridiculous drinks. Granted, this drink is not going to be as delicious as the amazing white pineapple mandarin orange brainbuster that we made weeks ago. This is going to be a mountain apple shot glass. Now if you're unfamiliar with mountain apples, what they are is they're apples that grow on the islands, but they have the texture and taste more like a Bartlett pear. No real core to speak of like a normal apple, except for these particular apples do have a weird little pit in the middle and they're completely hollow. So I was inspired. Now this was a happy surprise for me because I originally thought this tree was just a normal little tree to drop leaves that needed to be mowed and mulched. No, I was outside one day and I heard a thump. All of a sudden I'm like, what is that thump? And then another thump. I walk into the tree and I realize it is bristling with mountain apples. This tree doesn't grow apples on the outside, it grows them on the inside. So as I'm just mowing my lawn around the tree, I never really took time to look inside of it and see these wonderful apples. Unfortunately, I was a little late, so they're really starting to rot and fall, but there's still a lot of good apples on there. But it's very important when you're doing stuff like this, obviously, avoid the ones that have been eaten by rats, try to avoid the ones that have been eaten by bugs and birds, and always wash your wild fruit. Because in Hawaii, there is a nasty little thing called rat lungworm, and that parasite will ruin your life. So anyhow, let's get right to it. Shot glasses out of mountain apples. Check it out.